In this video, I'll show you how to watch Peacock offline. Step 1. Open the Peacock app. Launch the Peacock app on your mobile device. Ensure you're signed in with a Premium or Premium Plus account. Step 2. Find downloadable content. Look for movies or shows with a download icon next to them. Not all titles are available for download. Step 3. Download and watch offline. Tap the download button and wait for the download to complete. Access your downloaded movies in the download section for offline viewing. Now I have some important notes for you. Downloads are only available on mobile devices, not on desktop or TV apps. Content may expire after a set time or when removed from Peacock. And that's how you watch Peacock offline. Thanks for watching, subscribe if you found this video helpful, and if you have any more questions.